Hey everybody, what's good? Welcome back to Infamous and I can't talk today. Infamous and Enigmatic. So today, Lai and I are here in New Jersey, specifically Orange County, New Jersey, at the Thomas Edison National Historical Park, and we're gonna check out the chem lab as soon as it's open. Doesn't open for another 10 minutes. It looks like. But yeah, you can see here, right over here is this laboratory. We were just in there. It was pretty cool. Chem lab's right over here, which we can't go in yet. And then here's a statue of Edison himself. Brilliant man. As far as I know. So that is about it, and we will see you guys later.